Hello students, now we will be talking about two concepts, that is perpendicular bisector and angle bisector, right? For that we will be doing some of the questions. Let us start with the first question. Here it is given, draw a line segment of length 8.5 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. So when I say perpendicular bisector, it means for a line segment, I will have to draw a line such that it is perpendicular to it. That means it should make 90-degree angle. It should make 90-degree angle with the given line segment, and bisector means it should divide that line segment into two equal parts. So I repeat, the meaning of perpendicular bisector means we have to draw a line to a given line segment such that it is making a 90-degree angle with the given line segment, as well as it is bisecting it. That means it is dividing the line segment into two equal parts. So let us start with the construction. It is written, draw a line segment. First step is we have to draw a line segment of length 8.5 centimeter. So I am drawing it here. So let me draw a line segment of 8.5 centimeters. So I'll draw it from here. This is 0 to 8.5. I have reached 8.5. So this is a line segment of 8.5 centimeter. Let me name it as AB. Now I have to draw its perpendicular bisector. Okay. So what we will do? We will take the compass. We will take the compass and scale. Okay. And we will start drawing. Always keep in mind, students. Now here it is written 8.5. So if this is 8.5 centimeter, I will have to open the compass in such a way so that it is more than half of it. Clear? Now 8.5, so approximately it will be 4.25, or we can say this opening should be more than 4 and less than 5 centimeter. It can be more than, it should be more than 4 or 4.25 centimeter, because if it is not that, then we will not be able to get the perpendicular bisector. Let us see how we will get. So I have opened it. Okay. Now I will keep the tip of the compass here at point A, and I will draw arc on both the side, up and down. Okay. I will keep it at point B and I will draw the arc again up and down. Now what I find, that I am getting 2 points. Okay. These two are the intersection points. Let me name it as P and Q. Let me take out this page from the sheet so that it is more clear to you. So you can see point P and Q. Now what I will do, I will join these 2 points with the help of a line. Clear? So this PQ line is making a 90-degree angle and it is dividing it into two equal parts. Let me name this point as, let us say, O. So we will say AO is equal to OB. Line segment AO is equal to OB and this angle is 90 degree. Okay, so we will say PQ is the line, right? So therefore we will show this kind of symbol. It shows it's a line. So PQ is the perpendicular bisector, of line AB. Okay, done. So we have done with the first question. Clear? Now let us see the second one. Now let me read out the second question. Here it is given, with line segment XY of length 5.5 centimeter as diameter, draw a circle. With line segment XY of length 5.5 centimeter as a diameter, draw a circle. So what we have seen, in the last exercise that we can draw a circle if the radius is known. So what we will do, let us see what we will do. Okay, so with line segment xy of length 5.5 centimeter as diameter. So first of all we will have to draw a line segment of length xy which is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Let us do this. So this is solution number 2. So let us take 5.5 centimeter as the diameter. So we will start from here and 5.5. I have reached till 5.5, means fifth division after 5. So I have reached here. Okay, and name it as xy. So this is the, basically this is the diameter of the circle which I am going to make. Now I know, if I know the radius, then I can draw the circle, and I also know that radius is half of the diameter. I know the diameter is 5.5. So what we have to do, I have to get the half part of it. So naturally what we will do, we will find the half part, means we will have to make it half. So that means what we have to do, yes, we have to make the perpendicular bisector of it, because perpendicular bisector divides a line segment into two equal halves. So naturally we will, after drawing the perpendicular bisector, we will get half part, and half part means we got the radius, and we will, when we will get the radius, we will be getting the center and we will be getting the radius, and we will be able to make the circle. So my first step is to make the perpendicular bisector. So we will keep the tip of the compass at x, and as I told you, it should be more than half. Okay, so isko thoda bada lijiye, just expand it a little bit more. You can easily make out what is the approximate length of half. So it should be a bit more than that. Clear? So that you are able to get the intersection point. Otherwise you will not be able to get the intersection points, or the arcs will, which you will draw, they will not meet. अगर बड़ा नहीं किया तो दोनों आर्क जो है वो एक दूसरे से नहीं मिलेंगे या एक दूसरे को नहीं काटेंगे. Clear? So let me draw up and down. Here also let us draw up and down. Okay, so I got, let me make it a bit darker. Okay, so I got, let us say this is P and Q. Let me join these 2 points. Okay, let it be C. So we will say XC is equal to CY. Okay, and this hole is 5.5 centimeter. What can we say about CY? It will be half of 5.5 centimeter. Means we are talking about the radius. So we will take CY, which is the radius of the circle which we are going to make, and we will be making a circle, holding the compass tightly. So this is the circle and this is what we want. So with a line segment xy of length 5.5 centimeter as the diameter, draw a circle, and we have drawn a circle. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Draw an angle of measure 135 degree and bisect it. Okay, so let us do the next one. Solution number 3. We will have to draw means naturally I will be using the protector. Okay, so what we will do, we will be drawing a line first. Let me draw a ray. Okay, and we will keep the center of the protector here. It should match with the initial point of the ray. Now we will be using the, yes, which one we will be using? It's starting from 0, so naturally we will be using the inner scale, and we have reached 130, and this one is between 130 and 140. The midpoint is 135. Put a dot across it. Okay, and remove it. Acha, one thing always keep in mind, students, when we use the word draw, it means we will be using a protector, and when we use the word construct, there we will have to use ruler and compass. So in this case we are drawing, I have drawn means I have used protector to draw 135 degree. So this angle is basically 135 degree, and now I have to bisect it. Bisect means I have to divide it into two equal parts. So I have to draw the angle bisector. So what will I do is, I will be making an arc such that I get two intersection point. Let this be first, let me name the angle ABC. So angle ABC is 135 degree. Let us say this is X and this is Y. So X and Y are the intersection points. So what we will do, we will keep the tip of the compass at Y and expand it a little bit and draw an arc. Keep it at X without changing the radius. Keep it at X and then draw another arc. Clear? And now join this intersection point with B. And thus I got, let us say ABC, let us say this is D. So thus we will say angle ABC is equal to 135 degree, and from the figure we find this is half part and this is half part. And what is this angle? It is ABD. So we will say angle ABD is equal to this, that is angle DBC, which is equal to half of 135 degree, or we can say it is half of angle ABC. Thus we have bisected the angle. Clear? Thank you.